to need to use a few extra tools. For one, you have to have your timer. You want to make sure that you are in oscillate and you have no end selected. Once you've decided all the other things that you have going on down here, what I'd recommend is that you single step until you are at your peak, which for my amplitude, I have 1 centimeter selected, so I'm going to single step until it gets up to 1 centimeter. Once I have my peak, okay, I'm going to hit stop, reset the timer, and then I'm going to push play. This means that once I start moving the wave, it will start the timer so we know exactly how much time has passed. Since both wavelength and period require peak to peak, I'm going to single step until I get to my next peak. Once I have my next peak, I can measure the wavelength, and I already have the period right here in the timer. So I'm going to take my wavelength and I'm going to divide it by my period. Make sure to run at least 3 trials of your experiment. Now let's take a look at how detailed your experiment design needs to be. You want to make sure that you have it step by step set up with all of your controls, that if tomorrow I gave your experiment to someone else, they could repeat it exactly the same.